folks, TJ here. My Timex Sinclair line. I thought it would be a great time to kind of start over a little from scratch and talk about my Timex line. So I just purchased this over the weekend. Man, does anybody ever wear Santa hats? Kind of like a cat, and you sit there. I've had this computer before, but not boxed. Previously, if you've watched my other videos, first computer I purchased, Sinclair related, was this 2068. Boxed, really nice version. Came with a TS1000, but it wasn't boxed. But I did have one. I then afterwards, months later, purchased the 1500, and it came with a printer. So I've been wanting to get, and they're always for sale, but I found a local good deal on one. I was actually driving down to the Bay Area here in California, and just so happens somebody had one of these, and I said, hey, I'm driving through, and I'll buy it from you. Otherwise, it would have cost too much money and gas to go down there, but I was in the area. So, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Timex Sinclair TS1000. And as you've already watched from my other videos, I've now got a nice little collection going. This is the granddaddy of them all. Color, Spectrum, kinda, with the proper twister board in there. I can run Spectrum programs. For portability, the TS1500 is really cool because it has the kind of the rubber type of chiclet keyboard. Actually, the keys don't feel rubbery to me. They feel hard. But it's a nicer keyboard than your typical ZX81 or TS1000 type of computer. So this was really kind of a cool buy. The printer, nice to have. I have to do a video on that one day. Do my first printout kind of thing. But today we're going to do an unboxing of this. So basically, if we were dating ourselves back to early 80s, I would have had two options really. This one and this one. I think this one came out first, and then afterwards, these two went for sale around the same time. There's a video online that shows the introduction of these two, but this was the first one. And so we're going to do an unboxing and kind of show you how it arrived. All right, unboxing time. 1982, something like that. Timex TS1000 computer. Really nice box. Here's the back. Tells a little bit about it. And as normal, I try to show the sides. Just basically says the model of it. And this side shows how everything kind of connects up. So that's the box. Pretty good condition on this box. Now let's see if I can keep it that way and slide stuff out. And we'll slip this. Will it fit on Mr. Turkey here? Oh, I better put it down here before it falls. There we go. So the buns, Timex Sinclair 1000, so they've got that printed on the top of it, so that's cool. So let's break it open. Boom. Really clean. The story on this is that this is from a older gentleman that was in the ham radio, and he passed away, and his son and his friend basically over the years have been slowly selling stuff, and so this was in his stash of stuff. Nice and clean. Hopefully it works. You never know, you know. Here's the back, channel selector. Here's the side, TV port, ear, mic, and 9-volt. Nothing on this side. There's the computer. RF cord, TV switch box, yeah. Power AC adapter for the cassette. And the user guide. And the cool thing is he mentioned that there's receipts in here as they just come all flying out. Let's see what it says. This is the warranty card. This is a little compatible cassette recorder card. An envelope, Timex Product Service Center. That's kind of cool. So they had a self-addressed, no stamp of course. What was the stamp cost back in 1982? I'll have to Google that. It looks like in Little Rock, Arkansas. Okay, best products. $19.97, $11.10, and $83. I can't believe it was that cheap. $19.97. Supposedly this is the original receipt. Wow. Were they blowing them out already around that time? Maybe. It doesn't. It just says NONPLU merchandise. So it doesn't say specifically what it is. Best products. I'm trying to think who that would be. Best. Anyway, so that's the unboxing. Really clean. I'm going to have to do a first boot of this bad boy. And I've got a whole bunch of games now that I've been collecting. So I look forward to playing more ZX81 Timex Sinclair 1000 games, where you'll hear me having to make sound effects in the back because there's no sound on it unless I buy an enhancement. But anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching. Happy Thanksgiving. And everybody be safe. Thank you.